Being a driver and a shooter is so important in the game of basketball. You know I'm going to show you what to do. Let's go, basketball. Let's go. So straight away, we're going to get on the drive. And we're going to drive straight from the wing. And we're going to counter. Boom, with the crossover and finish the layup. Then we're going to counter again through the legs. Then we're going to counter again behind the back. Nice energy-packed drill, driving hard. And then we are going to introduce you to a couple of moves too that you can add to your drives. All right, I want you to make 3 layups each with each move on each side. All right, so it'll be a total of 9 layups that you need to make. Then what I want you to do is I want you to check out some of these new moves that we have provided, where it's not something you probably didn't know as a basketball player, but just another reminder of what we can do. So we got the hesitation move. Okay, so that's just very simple, dribble with the step. Then you're gonna hit me with the crossover HESI. Okay, so that's 2 moves that we're going to do today, and that's just to add to your arsenal. I want you to do those moves at least 5 times each on both sides while making a layup. All right, now we got that out the way. Speaking of layups, I need you to make them. So in doing so, what we're gonna do is first we're gonna do the MIKAN drill. Okay, need you to see the ball go in, need you to get the rhythm going off of one leg. Okay, once you've made 20 of those, then we're gonna get into our layup series. Okay, remember the layup series is a layup, a jump stop layup, an inside hand layup, a reverse layup, and then a left-handed layup. Now you can also do these layups where we're gonna dribble hard, 1, 2 on the dribble, we're gonna tuck it, and then we go inside. Then we're gonna 1, 2 dribble, tuck it, go left side. Okay, so we're gonna do those dribbles as well in our layup series warm-up drill, which I like to do all the time because it kind of gives you a variation of all the layups that you will do in a game. All right, then I want you to dribble up from the baseline, make that move, whether it's a hesitation, whether it's a turn and go, and finish the layup. So we're gonna dribble up from the baseline, you're gonna be at the elbow, then you're gonna go opposite of the rim, or you're gonna go same side with something behind the back, or possibly through the legs, or like I said, just a simple crossover. All right, I want you to make 5 of those with a variation of moves each time. Just try to, keep it spicy. And then after we do that on both sides, we're gonna go to the free throw line. Okay, this whole training session is about making you a driver and making you a shooter off the dribble. All right, make those free throws. That'll be 5 of them real quick, and then we're gonna check right back in. Now, being able to shoot off the dribble is a very tough skill, and so many people think that it's easy, and a lot of times when you shoot off the dribble, it's not as accurate as when you catch and shoot. So people will continue to take shot after shot after shot. Well, let me tell you this. In the game of basketball, if you haven't played yet or you haven't played on a team yet, you're not going to get that many shots. So what we need to do is continue to work on this so we make the shot that we do get to take. And that is, first drill is going to be the 3 cones across. You're going to attack those cones and you're going to shoot off the dribble. Then I want you to shoot off the catch. Okay, so you're going to be running up from the corner and you're going to be shooting off the catch. All of these drills, I want you to make at least 4 from each spot and then 4 off the catch and shoot. All right, we are going to keep the numbers down, but we want to make them consistently even though the numbers are down. All right, and then we're looking at simple dribble, right? Just north and south, keeping that live dribble, going forward to the elbow from the top of the key. You're gonna make 5 there, and then going forward from the top of the key again, going left, you're gonna make 5 there. Then you're going across the elbow and you're going to make 5 there. So you're gonna come from the wing to the elbow in that direction, and you're gonna dribble up and shoot the same way, but it's gonna be a little bit different footwork. A lot of people like that inside plant. A lot of people like to plant and hop. Ideally, I would like you to plant with that right foot to allow yourself to still have a counter move in case you don't have that jump shot. All right, Then after that, we are going to work our dribble, retreat, counter move, driving to the basket and finishing that. Okay, that's going to be very important for you as we continue to get pressured, as we become a better player, a better ball handler, and for some, you might be the best player on the floor. So if that is the case, you definitely want to have a retreat dribble and be ready for anything. Okay, now with that retreat dribble, we are working to counter based on how the defender reacts to the retreat. All right, so just be aware of that. And then we're going to go to the free throw line one more time, make 5 free throws, and then get ready for the next drill. Don't forget, when you're doing these drills, everything is going to be on both sides. You have to stop limiting yourself to only doing it one way because you like seeing it go in, you like not making mistakes. Being able to go both ways is going to benefit you in the long run with your strengths. So you'll be able to kind of shadow and hide some things when you're able to go both ways as far as your game is concerned, and hiding your weaknesses. Everybody has a weakness in their basketball game. So with that being said, as we continue to make you a driver, we're just going to come from the top and we're going to make a couple moves. So we got an in and out move that we're going to do with the hesitation and then go, or a stop move and go. We're also going to do crossover, okay, in and out, go finish. You're going to do that on both sides. Let's do that 5 times. And again, what we're looking for here is the consistency of staying low, the consistency of attacking, and the consistency of understanding how to make layups, because it's so important. Even though it is a high percentage shot, you cannot take it for granted, as most people miss it more than you know. All right, so after we do that, basketball U, I want you to then work on dribbling and shooting off of the 3 again. Okay, I can't stress this enough. Being able to do that in transition can sneak you about 2 easy 3s a game, and 6 points could be a big difference maker in your point average, and a big difference maker on a run, and a big difference maker in the game, depending on when you score these 3 points. Okay, so keeping that in mind, remember you're going to go right hand on the right side, left hand on the right side as well, and you're going to do that in the middle, and you're going to do that on the left side. All right, then we are going to pretty much wrap up the training session with, again, conditioning. Today we're only going to do 5 baseline runs and then 5 wing runs in hitting 3s. Okay, if you shoot 0 for 5, then you will start over and do them again, because now we're at the point where we don't have to miss every single shot, and we also don't have to make every single shot, but we're not going to miss every single shot we take when we've been practicing every single day, or for some of the days out of the week. All right, the consistency needs to be there, and this is as much pressure as you can put on yourself as you would be able to in the game and with somebody guarding you. All right, basketball U, that is all I have for you today. I am the Daily Trainer. I'm here each and every day in every way for the game that you love to play, to give you the information you need, guaranteed to succeed. And also to tell you this, remember, someone's always working. Are you?